y'all, it's me, ACE. I'm back and ready to eat. Today, y'all, we're doing another challenge. It is the Scorpion Chicken Challenge by Grubz. I know I'm late to the party. Wasn't around then, but I actually saw this the other day at the grocery store, so I was like, why not, you know? Better late than never. I've had this before, and it is hot, y'all. I know it's hot, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put the rules on the screen. We're gonna bless this food, and we're gonna get started. God, thank you for this food we're about to receive. Please let it be of nourishment to my body. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I made these wings myself. Y'all, don't judge. I put them on broil and walked away. Don't do it. You gotta pay attention when you put stuff on broil. But they'll eat. Like my grandma say, they'll eat. You gotta have 6 whole wings. No time. You can dip, and you gotta put this at least on one side of your chicken. I have some ranch here for dipping pleasure. And as always, I'm gonna add my 2 times spicy to it. Now this might be a big mistake, hot on top of hot, but I like my ranch this way with chicken wings. I have to. All right, y'all ready? I don't know if I am. We might as well just leave this off. Well, let's give it a good shake. All right. Okay, here we go. I hope this still, oh it is, y'all see the steam? It's still hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna go for the flat first. Ooh, why does it look like it stopped up? Oh, don't do that. I almost did it. Come on, there we go. I don't know if we're gonna be dousing, because this act like it don't want to come out. I might have to get up and clean the top of this. Yeah, I'm not finna fight with this. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Okay, I'm back. Did I say we could drink? If not, we could drink. I got some, yeah, that's coming out way better. I got some water and my Old Faithful cherry Coke. Is that enough? AKA bump. Here we go. That chicken tender, I tell you that. That's hot. I watched her video and she was sitting there eating them like a champ. So that was one side. This side getting a 2-time and ranch dip. Yummy. I should have let it cool down a little bit more. Y'all know what I was gonna say. Clean the bone. I've been watching everybody do the challenge. It's been fun to watch. Woo! I mean, they is hot. Y'all see that steam? Hot, hot. temperature and spice. Oh no, girl, I thought that was a filler. I was gonna say, I gotta go. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, don't be dripping everywhere now. I'm hoping I can finish this. I want to complete a challenge. Well, I did complete the Clean the Bone challenge. I want to complete a spicy challenge. I got one more to do tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It ain't spicy though. I was actually challenged by somebody. Y'all, I'm telling you, I know y'all probably saying, you say the same thing, but the support is real out here. And every day, ooh, it just amazes me. I brought out the Big Daddy. Thankfully, we can drink, child. That's why I'm thinking and hoping maybe I'll finish it today. If my nose goes to, oh, that went straight to my head. I felt that. I should have let them cool off. I don't know if the water helps. My tongue hot. Woo! Why did I do that? I'm now about to do it again. I'm about to break out in the sweat. Woo! No. Woo! Okay. Sorry, y'all, my son. I had to stop for a minute. And my mouth is still on fire. I think I'm a... Should I? No. Ooh. It's good. And I don't even like Tabasco. It's the best tasting one. Well, I've never tried the green one. But I'm not a fan. It's good. It's a spicy as you know what. Woo! Y'all know people do this for fun. Isn't that crazy? It was a show on Netflix. It's been out a long time ago. And I can't remember the name of it, but it was about people doing different competitions and stuff. And one of them was people eating peppers. Like literally sitting there eating the habaneros, the Carolina Reapers on stage for money. I go watch it, but I ain't participating. Like every level, the peppers got hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. They're bad. But yeah, the peppers, the intensity, the heat intensity was going up and up and up. It was a lot of different competitions, but the first one was peppers. We was watching it. They was sitting there crying, y'all, on stage, tears. Some people got sick. But here I am. And I went to this place before called the, look at it. It's so thick like ketchup or cocktail sauce. Called the Pepper Palace. We found it on vacation in Tennessee. When I tell you, we went in there and racked up on that hot sauce. That stuff was hot, but it was so flavorful. There was this one that was, what's it called? The Garlic Reaper or something like that. If I can find them, I'll show y'all, because y'all might want to try it. And you can order them. They'll ship. You don't have to just go to the store. And I had a snack of fried garlic. It was whole garlic cloves. Woo! And they were covered in spices. They were hot, but so good. Nice and crunchy. I'll see if I can find pictures of stuff I'm talking about. But it's called the Pepper Palace. Everything they have ain't hot. But go ahead. But the stuff we picked out, want no punks. It was stuff in there hotter than this. Here I go again, breathing fire. I think we just gonna eat this one with nothing. Baby, this ain't no joke. Who did I see do this? It wasn't Dame, was it? Somebody I seen do that for clean the bone. Who was it? And I was like, that's a nice technique. That was smart. Because you take everything off. Woo! think I'm done with chicken for a while after this. Woo! I got FOMO. Ooh. Woo! It's tough. And she made it look effortless. You hear me? Effortless. I can't even drink no Coke. My mouth too high. All right. All right. Come on, girl. You can do it. Excuse me. Sometimes you gotta be your own hype man, huh? Ooh, all right. Why is it so high? Okay. Just do it. Ooh. Okay. That means I only got one more that's got to put some scorpion sauce on it. And I can do it. Ooh. Uh-oh. One more. And the victory belongs to me. Ooh. I'm trying to get my husband to come on camera with me. This man will sit and eat a serrano pepper and a habanero pepper with his chicken. Like how people like jalapenos on the side, he like one of those. So he can hang. But the thing is, y'all, I'm the one turn him on to the spice, and he done bypassed me. I introduced him to the 2-time, to all kind of hot sauces. And now he can handle it way better than I can. I created a spice monster. Like for real. He like everything hot. Even when we have salad, he be contemplating whether or not he should put 2-time in his salad. And I already add Slap Your Mama as a little seasoning to give it some kick. And we was using, what was the name of that ranch? It was a spicy ranch we used to buy, but after he fell in love with 2-time, he just started mixing it with regular ranch because it's spicier. That other ranch ain't spicy at all. Oh my cherry coke. AKA my bump. Who will say? We be like, babe, I need a bump. And we're talking about Coke. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. This is our bump. We need a little energy. Some caffeine. And say, babe, we need a bump. No other Coke is involved, okay? Let's be clear. All right, last one, y'all. I can almost say I done it. Okay, okay. Let's put it on. Ooh, if this was timed, I sure would have been out a long time ago. All right. The last spicy bite. Y'all want it? Yeah, y'all eat it for me. Come on, I know you want it. Y'all probably don't. It's hot stuff. And here I go. Okay. I want to blow it off, but that ain't gonna that ain't gonna help. Okay. Here we go. And I took most of it. Let's go. I did it. I did it. Last piece. What's that? 12 pieces of chicken. 6 whole wings. Yep. We're gonna get this one a big old dip. A big old dip. This is what it looked like. My ranch in 2 times. And Ken's ranch is the best. And that, what is it? I can't even think of the name of it. The big brand that everybody like. And definitely not no Kraft. I think Ken's got the best. All their dressings good. All right. Let's cover last bite. Well, not bite, last piece of chicken. I'm gonna touch my lips. Go me. Go me. Go me. Tell you what, I'm stuffed. Look at that. Look at that. I did it, y'all. I completed my first spicy challenge. Yay! Mission accomplished. And I'm gonna head on out. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. And if you could, please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you like. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.